Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hamdan wa syukurillah amma ba'du. Education is not everything, but with education we are able to change everything. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my endeavor in the building education. Here is the grand design of education in order to prepare the golden generation 2045. Based on the spirit of national building and division for JSIT, I am Mahyudi MPD, the headmaster of SMA IT Al Furqon Palembang, is ready to succeed the 5th Munas JSIT. It is predicted that is 2045 there will be a change in the megatrend that will affect the world condition. As our result, Indonesia will commemorate the golden generation era, namely the 2045 demography era. For this reason, development of human resources with mastery in science and technology is very necessary. So that's why President Joko Widodo is certain to write down 7 points of his future for Indonesia in 2045. This dream were written and directly on Feast of February when President Joko Widodo visit Merauke, Papua on December 13, 2000.
Kita harus berani melompat, berani meraih kemajuan. Sekali lagi, Indonesia maju, bukan Indonesia mundur, apalagi Indonesia berubah.
There are several advantages for Indonesia on demographic era. They are: can elevate Indonesia to become a developed country and become the world's top 12 power in 2045 and the world's top 5 in 2045 through high, inclusive and sustainable economic growth. The world's population will reach 10 billion with Asia contributing 54% of the world's population. Per capita income will increase and come out from the middle income trap. Many officials responded that with a large economic growth in 2045, Indonesia will proceed its status from developing country to a developed country. This has an impact on the urbanization of the population with a large number of urban residents and rural areas. With the development of human resources with increased mastery of science and technology in the field of science, technology, and the mathematics, the generation of 2045 will be awakening of Indonesia to become a large and a big country. By the number of productive population, quality education based on morality is required. Moreover, currently the industrial sector has become Industry 4.0. It will move on to the next industry. The role of education as an innovative, creative, critical human resource builder is the key to Indonesia's success toward 2040. In several years ago, Islam had Muslim scientists before Western scientists put forward their finding. Muslim scientists who have contributed to human life and earth, who are able to change the face of the world. Ibn Sina, Al-Farabi, Al-Salman Al-Farisi, Ibnu Al-Haytham, and Al-Khwarizmi. Indonesia itself has 2 genius scientists. They are B.J. Habibie and Khairul Anwar. In 2045, the role of youth becomes important because they will be in control of the progress of the nation. As stated by Sukarno, give me 1,000 old people, then I will remove Semeru from its roots. Give me 10 youths, then I will shock the world. Apart from that, as an inspiration from Muhammad al-Fatih, at the age of 25, he had conquered Constantinople, which a long time ago, before he conquered the region, he has reported in the Hadith, the city of Constantinople will fall into the hands of Islam. The leader who conquers Constantinople is the best leader, and the troops under his commander are the best troops ever. 5 things in the background of the grand design education development made by SMA IT Al Furqon Palembang, such as the development of moral education, science, technology, entrepreneurship, leadership. Because of this reason, the role of the school in the case the principal and teacher is very important because it will be the determined in the future. Teacher absolutely must have a noble soul with the heart for creating good generation in 2045. The best leaders are those you love and so they do. To pray for you and you for them. Narrated by Muslim. For this reason, SMA ITA Al-Furqan has a ruang sumber belajar as a place discusses learning by KKG and MGMP teacher. At the same time, this room is also functioning as the media room. Brand design is connected to 2045 vision and mission delivered by the Minister of Education and Culture, Mr. Nadiem Makarim, membangun rakyat Indonesia untuk menjadi pembelajar seumur hidup yang unggul, terus berkembang, sejahtera, dan berakhlak mulia dengan menumbuhkan nilai-nilai budaya Indonesia dan Pancasila. The grand design is connected to the 2045 vision and mission delivered by the Minister of Education and Culture Nadiem Makarim. International program, the students of SMA ITA Al-Furqan have a national culture but with global competitiveness. Schooled by research, technology will always continue to develop, making people always create innovation so they are not out of date. Students always think critically, creatively, collaborate, and communicate. Siswa berprestasi to see potential of someone who needs coaching and development of good life skills, and also another skill, entrepreneurship program. Creating entrepreneurship certainly takes a long process. This program is a comfort action to make students become real entrepreneurs in the future so that life can be more prosperous. Integration and contextual learning. Incorporating cultural value and Pancasila is student learning activities foster and sense of belonging for the nation and directly links learning with the daily life. Strengthening moral education. The national character is really based on religious values that can dispel negative behavior so that is to make students capable in academics and also priority in works. Al-Quran School makes the student become generations of the Al-Quran, and the student Sunnah is not only for memorize and understand the Al-Quran but also excellent class, Tahfiz class, Olympic class, entrepreneurship class. SMA ITA Al-Furqan excellent programs. Akhlakul Karimah in the form of group Islamic personal development, great personal development, career guidance, head of classroom subject, integration of Al-Quran content in all subjects, integration in curriculum content, moral assessment through student morality report card. Al-Quran School as a form bringing students closer to the Al-Quran with the method of memorizing Al-Quran. Learning special tahfiz, learn Al-Quran by fully of heart and tahfiz star. It is hoped that the 2045 generation will become the Quranic generation. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. By research, the world's one had Muslim scientists program aims to reflect the glory of Islam in the field of science and technology. This program is in the form of a learning model for science, technology, engineering, mathematics, or called STEAM. One Day with Professor is the learning program integrated with the professor. Student scientific work project, one student, one innovation work, student scientific work comparison, student scientific work exhibition. The aim of this program is to make students continue to innovative and develop science and technology as form of 21st century skill, namely critical, creative, collaborative, and communicative thinking. Entrepreneurship program. The aim of this program is to train students in entrepreneurship, which consists of entrepreneurship learning, structured entrepreneurship, independent apprenticeship, and entrepreneurial application. SISBER, siswa berprestasi, fostering interns and talent from the student into form of life skills, competency development, extracurricular activities, and student works. International program, student exchange program, TOEFL, IELTS, international class, speech in the morning, Arabic day. The application is certainly a form of commitment that the future will come sooner. Learning will be easier. Wherever students can access knowledge, teacher can facilitate learning, and parents can easily see the development of the children learning. Parents can see portfolio data, worksheet, academic report cards, and student moral education reports. This is the benefit of technology, which is the work of nation people from the hands of SMIT Al-Furqan teacher for a better education in Indonesia. So, that's all the grand design of education in 2045 for me, the headmaster of SMIT Al-Furqan Palembang. JSIT Indonesia Empowering Islamic School, Mobilizer International Empowerment. The 5th Munas JSIT. Allahu Akbar. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.